I mean, if inflation's latest number still at 8.2%, that is overwhelmingly high. The cost of living increase, the cost of living adjustment, COLA, increase for Social Security folks is going to be 8.7%, the highest in decades. So look, we all know, everybody knows, we've talked about it quite a bit on the show. Things are way too expensive. And when you become to the point where you are on a potentially fixed income like Social Security, or maybe if you're lucky, you might have a pension coming from an employer, which those are few and far between now, Matt, because most employers converted to the old 403B or 401k many moons ago. So in most cases, employers are going to make you do your own saving, and people don't know what that menu of mutual funds they're looking at really means, and they need some help. And the problem is people set it and forget it, and then, or they're sometimes a victim of being put into a target fund. The target fund is designed around what year they expect you to turn 65 and retire. I've helped people with 401k rollovers that were in target funds that performed very poorly in the years where the market did extremely well. In 2020, the market finished way up over 20%. And I worked with a gentleman on rolling over his 401k. His target fund only returned about 5% that year. So, and it was a sizable rollover. So look, the guy missed out on thousands of dollars because it was automatically rolled. So people just don't know what they don't know. I know you use that phrase a lot, and I think it's very apropos in a lot of cases. So look, we encourage people, if you got a 401k, you don't have a clue, you want to know where it's at, where it should be, call me. That's something we can discuss. We can get together. And there are cases where I'll meet with people today, and we might actually do business for a year or 2 or 3 down the road. So it just depends. And I'm finding out there are listeners that have been listening to us since the beginning of June when we first started. And I'm just now hearing from someone. It's very exciting, and I appreciate it. And I'm so blessed to have the listeners that are following along and hearing us grow, I think, as a team, and the show grow. And, we always want to know what we can do better. And we're just here to serve people and to help our clients understand what's going on in their financial life.